In this tutorial, we will learn how to export a flat part from MBend to cncKad. Open and unfold a 3D file. Next, the bending information is analyzed so that the part can be unfolded. The software will automatically select the tools and search for a valid bend sequences and tool setups. You can also view the part in 3D view. To view the bending simulation, click the play button. You can now export the part to cncKad. The part is exported along with the material and thickness. As you can see, the size of the part in cncKad is the same as the one in MBend.